In this video, I'll show you how to add Google Authenticator on OneXBet. This is very easy. Subscribe to this channel for more important videos like this. Before we continue, I want to show you how to create a professional OneXBet account. To do that, click on registration, take the third option. Fill in your details correctly from your surname right down to your password. In the promo code box, you're going to use the promo code LEOTV. If you use the promo code LEOTV, OneXBet is going to give you a 300% bonus on your first deposit. This means if you deposit $100, you're going to receive $300. Once you're done, click on these three boxes and register your account. Now, let's continue. So to add or enable Google Authenticator, you have to come over to menu, click on settings, and you click security settings. Now, once you come over to settings, go to security settings and then you take two-factor authentication. The first you have to do is download Google Authenticator. After you download it, you are going to enter the code from Google Authenticator. Now all you have to do is come over to open Google Authenticator and then you're going to add a code. So I'm going to call this code 1xbet and then username. I'm just going to use my username that I'm using. And then password, I'm going to create a strong password and then I save. I'm going to use the username G and then I save. Once that is saved, I'm going to copy this code. The code is 162658. So I'll come back here and put the code 162658. I can verify the code again, 162658, and then I confirm. So when I confirm, two-factor authentication is going to be enabled. And that's how to add or enable two-factor authentication